Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ankita Ochani, Assistant Professor Suresh Gyan Vihar University, International School of Business and Management. In my last YouTube video, I spoke about how to impress people, and in this video, quickly, I want to speak about a very important skill which is very important when you are having when we all were having our routine life, and even now when we are having a very closed life, a work from home life. The important skill is time management. So every one of us is having 24 hours, and no one on this earth is having more than that. Even the prime minister and president of a country, even a school child who is going to school, a first in first class, or a college student, or faculties like me, a housewife, a working woman, and each and everybody on this earth is having 24 hours. So I'm just going to talk about five very powerful tips on time management. So my first tip, which everybody knows, is to make timetable. To make timetable, as in what you have to do and at what time you have to do. It's a very old trick, but the important tip that is there in timetable management is that we have to do a B and C analysis. A are those tasks which are on high priority, which we have to do. B are those tasks which is on moderate priority, and C are those tasks which is on not so moderate, which is like which tasks are there, and we can decide it that we have to do it right now or we can postpone it. So we have to divide our timetable in such a way that a task, we should be able we ought to complete those tasks, and B are those category which we have to but we can decide, and C are those which we can skip or we can plan later. So we have to decide our timetable according to A, B and C category. And second is tip is that we have to identify the tasks which are urgent and those tasks which are important. So we should be knowing the difference between urgent and important. So things which are urgent and important has to be done at that very moment. Things which are important but not so urgent, so they can be decided. Things which are urgent but not important, we can delegate it also, we can give it to somebody else to do it. And things which are even not urgent and not important, so we can just delete them. So that's my second tip. And my third tip is that if you really want to manage your time, you have to find out that who is wasting your time in your life: your friend, your colleague, your teammate, your somebody, some of your neighbors maybe. So you have to say no to those people. Especially in case of students, they have their timetable, they have everything, but students come to party and let's go to canteen and this and that. So we cannot follow our timetable. So that. And the fourth tip that I want to talk about is that we have to pre-plan in mind whatever we have to do tomorrow. Today I should be knowing about it. Even when I am sleeping, I should know that what time I'm going to get up, what time I'm going to do what, and I should have a backup plan also, that if something goes wrong, so I should have a buffer time in between. You never make a timetable like 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12 and 12 to 1. It should be always, you should have buffer time, so that you can be casual about it. You don't have to be like a army man or a military man all the time. And my fifth very important tip is decluttering. Like if your house is decluttered, or if your office is cluttered, sorry, your office is cluttered, your house is cluttered, your relationships are cluttered, your mood is cluttered, your life is cluttered, you cannot do any kind of time management. So the first step is to make everything systematic. If I have to cook in the morning and then go for work, my kitchen should be systematic, my house should be systematic, my almirah should be systematic. In my office table should be systematic, the laptop should be systematic, files in the laptop should be systematic, my mood should be systematic. I should not have mood swings throughout the day, I cannot work then. And then everything should be systematic around me, then only I can work. So this is a very important tip to declutter your life. So the 5 things that I spoke about today is making a timetable, ABC analysis, and difference between urgent and important, saying no to people, and decluttering, and pre-planning in mind. Apart from it, you can also wear wristwatches. That is very helpful. You can put alarms and reminders on your phone. You can write also that how much time you're wasting in a day on social networking or on chit chatting with people, so that you can avoid. So believe me, in Mahabharata also, the first line that the Lord is saying that मैं समय हूँ. सो समय का सदुपयोग करें, समय को बिल्कुल बर्बाद ना करें. समय बहुत कम है, हम सब ये जानते हैं, और आज की सिचुएशन में हम ये अच्छी तरीके से जानते हैं कि समय बहुत कम है. तो समय का सदुपयोग करें. धन्यवाद.